Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to cover the best-selling product block. It's a block so we can showcase your best-selling products on any page that you like. So let's dive right in. One of the advantages of Gutenberg is that it can be easily added to pages or posts. So you got to pick out which page you want to put this on. I already made a page called best-selling blocks. And all that is on this page is a navigation and a cover block with some text in it. And now we're going to add a header block just underneath this cover block. If this is your first time with Gutenberg, you can just click on the page and you'll see a plus. Hit the plus and it'll bring up this menu. You can search up for the block that you want, or if you see it down here, you can easily access it from there. And I'm going to center this. So this is the line tool. Just hit center. And we're going to give it a size. We'll go with extra large. And next, we're going to add the best-selling products block. So we hit the plus, type in best, and you can see it already came to us right there. Now that we added the best-selling products block, we're going to scroll down and get it in our view. And on the right-hand side, you'll see all your controls for this block, or for any block for that matter. And if you don't see that and you see this, you're on the page settings, just go click on block and you'll see them pop up. And if you don't see this at all, this is the toggle that opens and closes it. Alright, we'll start editing the best-selling block. We're going to start off at the layout and we'll come back to styles in a second. Obviously this is where you control how many columns you want. And we'll put back to 3 because I think that's usually the sweet spot. Rows. So if you want however many rows you want, I'm going to narrow it down to 1. And then you can align the button to the last, which will align it down to the bottom. So the buttons are all in a row. I don't know if that fits, so I'm going to deselect that. Next, we got this content section down here where you can remove bits of content you don't like or don't want to show. Title. You know, if you don't want to show a price, you just want them to see the product. If a product has a rating, you can show it or hide it. The next group of controls is filter by category. And as you can see, all your categories are right here. You can even search for one and it will pop down here. It will also give you how many products are in that category. So we have 3 of the phone, but if we go back and you see clothing has 14 and also has subcategories that you can show, which again shows you all the different subcategories. So if you only want to show 3, it'll give you the hoodie category. But if you want to show all of these, you can go back up, increase the rows or even the columns, and it will show all in that category. So as you see, it's really flexible. It gives you the ability to really show what it is that you like in your best-selling categories. I'm going to set it to phone cases. This next control, the Styles tab, really depends on themes and plugins that you have installed. I'm using my theme, and as you see I have one that's all image and one with center button that will really separate your store from anyone else's. Now let's update and see what our page looks like. And there you have it. So as you can see, the best-selling product block is very powerful. It gives you tons of control to show what you like and to really showcase your best-selling products. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.